Hello, welcome to In Studio. In this quick 2-minute Lightroom tip, I'm going to tell you about solo mode and expanding and collapsing the different panels in the Develop module. Hello, I'm Ian Butterfield. When you're using Lightroom, do you ever have a problem that you tend to find you are spending a long time just scrolling down in the side panels looking for the tools that you want? Well, here's a quick tip to save you some time. First of all, did you know you can actually collapse all of them by right-clicking on one of the bars and saying collapse all? That closes it up and you can go to any particular bar that you want then. And I can also right-click on any of those and say solo mode. Now, solo mode is something I always recommend that you have enabled, because the great thing about solo mode is it only shows one panel at a time. So at the moment I've got split toning showing. I want to go to basic and you'll see it has closed split toning. I go to split toning, it's closed basic. I go to effects and it's closed everything else. So you only have one panel open at a time, and that means you don't have to constantly scroll up and down on the panel within the Develop module. I hope you found that quick 2-minute tip helpful. Hopefully it'll speed up your workflow in Lightroom. So if you want further tips like this, please subscribe to the channel, click the little bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.